Hey everyone, so today real quick I wanted to show you how to disconnect an IBS sensor from a BMW 335xi. This is an E92. So the battery is usually in the trunk. Not sure how it is for other models in other countries, but in the US it is. So first off, you want to have this cover off. This just unlatches here. You pull that out. And then over here I have some tools. It's kind of messy right now, but you just want to make sure your trunk doesn't close. And this is my new battery I just installed, but I'm having a no start issue. So I'm going to try the IBS. So first I want to show you how to take it off. So anyways, so you want to take it off here. I'm using a 10mm Craftsman. Now, I already unscrewed it to save time. And how it works is, I'll show you. Okay, so you're just going to want to pull this off. Now the part that you want is right here. So what I did was, I will grab a screwdriver, flathead, pull it off, which would be this part right here. Funny thing is, this is actually a shared part with Mini Cooper, BMW, and Rolls-Royce. So you basically have a Rolls-Royce part. Anyways, on this side here, I'm going to want to pull this off here. That just pushes off like that. Now the IBS is unattached, and you're going to want to bolt this back in. I get shocked. Okay. That's unattached. Move that out of the way. Make sure that's nice and down. Make sure it's tightening. And you should be good to go.